No time to clean? Worry no more, let Aldin Cleaning Service do it for you. Aldin Cleaning Service offer janitorial services, new construction cleaning, house cleaning, commercial space cleaning, carpet cleaning, window cleaning. Aldin Cleaning Service mission: to be part of Everyone Lives by offering cleaning services with high quality, innovation and at affordable price. Aldin Cleaning Service vision: to be one of the leading cleaning company in Vancouver Island, admired for its excellent cleaning service. Aldin Cleaning Service values: integrity as the basis of any relationship. Focus on client is a fundamental ingredient for our success. Respect for individual, commitment to diversity and the acceptance of differences. Aldin Cleaning Service objectives: to create a service-based company whose first goal is exceeding customers' expectation. To provide excellent cleaning service, living of its own cash flow. Aldin Cleaning Service Company history. Aldin Cleaning Service was formed in year 2020 with the aim of providing excellent cleaning service to everyone in Vancouver Island. High-quality service. Trustworthy and flexible staff. Well-trained and professional staff. Guaranteed client satisfaction. For more information, visit our website at www.aldincleaningservice.com. Aldin Cleaning Service. We clean to make everyone safe.